huge wake after they go past. Holy crap. Good grief, that dude is hustling. You could water ski behind that thing. It's coming at me at an odd angle since he came around the corner. I'm almost going to miss it, but it's going to sort of hit me in the front and the side at the same time. It's strange. That wasn't too bad. I definitely feel like I'm paddling upstream. This is work. This is one of the places out here at Prettyboy Reservoir that I normally come on foot to fish. And I come in over there off the road and I walk around a trail. It brings me all the way out to this point. And normally all this rock structure is submerged. And as you'll see as we go over it in a minute, I hope there's not too much camera glare. That structure continues on well underneath of us. So it's the end of summer, actually it's the middle of autumn at this point, and you can see how much the water level is down. This is a drinking water reservoir. It supplies Baltimore City. It's one of the reservoirs that supplies Baltimore City, and we are definitely in need of some rain. Pretty much reached the end of the line. This is one of the coves I like to come out and walk around. I've actually got a trail that leads me around this cove. So we are going to turn around and head back on out. That's a pretty one there, especially with the sun shining through it. I'll get my camera out and take a picture of it. I'll get a selfie with that in the background. I guess I could stop and do some selfies here for a little while. Can't really even see that really pretty tree, can you? Alright, let's go down this cove and go around the corner and see if we can find any more pretty trees. That's a pretty one, but it's not really photogenic. It's just sort of pretty colors. Alright, we're going to take a little detour on the way back to the boat launch. The boat launch is in fact over that away, but I saw two great blue herons land on the shoreline down here on the right, so we're going to see if we can't sneak up and get a little closer. So they're a considerable way down. Well, that was not the blue herons that I saw, so they must have flown down here and come up into this little cove down here. So we're going to come down around the corner and see if we can't see them. I don't see them anywhere. I could have sworn I saw two blue herons come down and land somewhere up on the shoreline. But I guess not. We can go a little further down this shore. Okay, and we came all the way down here on a wild goose chase, or a wild blue heron chase, I should say. I thought I saw a couple come down here and land, and I do not see them. Actually, you know what? Hold on a minute. I think I might. Let's go down here a little more. Well, unfortunately, at a distance, driftwood can look like a bird. So, no luck here. Now we're going to turn around. As I said, we kind of came a little bit out of our way. We need to go all the way back over there, but that cormorant that we scared up is halfway between here and where we need to go. So once we get a little closer, I'll see if I can't sneak up on that, and we'll get to see that cormorant take off across the water again. And there's 9 buzzards up there. Maybe it's the Nazgul or the ringwraiths. I guess I can say stuff like that without being a dork anymore. Everybody and their brother's seen those movies, so everybody knows what I'm talking about when I say that now.